Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my latest Foxtale skincare. I picked it by 4 at $14.99 along with the Wunderfox Mystery Box. I have been wanting to try Foxtale products for a while and this combo looked like a perfect deal. So let's open it together and see what's inside. Alright, so first look at this packaging. Yay! Wait, you guys, what I have found in my Foxtel pack is a whole home Housie card. Oh wow, there are prizes like projector, Dyson, iPhone, whatnot, gold coin. Yo, this is serious prizes vibes, I think. And guess what? The event is already over. And any lucky people out there who actually won this, drop in the comments. I want to see the real Foxtel champions. First up, the 10% vitamin C plus glutathione brightening serum. Oh, this one's for the instant glow and hydration. It's supposed to even out pigmentation in just 3 days. It's super lightweight and perfect for daily use, and it's a light texture as I can see. I'll be doing a 1 week results video for this soon, so stay tuned to see if it actually brightens up my skin or not. Next up, the SPF 50 Glow Sunscreen. This one claims 100% golden hair glow and 0% tan. No white cast and no stickiness. It's a lightweight, and guess what? It's got vitamin C and niacinamide inside. I'll share my 1 week glow check soon because sunscreens deserve their own spotlight. The third one I'm most excited for, that is 0.3% retinol plus ferulic acid serum. Retinol lovers, this one's for you. It helps boost collagen, fade dark spots, and gives that woke up like this glow. I'll try this one at night for a week and share my honest before after results because retinol can be a total game changer as we all know. And this one also texture is so lightweight and it is very glowing, as you can see. It is giving an instant glow. And finally, the 12% niacinamide clarifying serum. Yo, this one is for acne marks and blemishes and oil control mainly. It's got niacinamide plus azelaic acid. If you are having a oil skin and acne marks, this one is perfect serum for you. That's a powerful combo. I'm planning to test this one also for 1 full week to see if it is really clears those stubborn spots or not. Here's the exciting and surprising part, the Wunderfox Mystery Box. Here's what I got. Foxtail face wash worth 199 rupees. Luxurious Foxtail perfume. This smells so good, worth 700 rupees. Mini 0.15% retinol night cream, which is of a 10 ml sample, which worth 229, and an acne spot corrector gel, which worth 336. Here it is, the Queen of Mystery Box, Valley of Flowers perfume. Wait, oh my god, this smells so pretty, like soft floral feminine girl energy. This is clean feminine energy vibes. I actually love this one. Not too strong, not too sweet, just like a chef's kiss. Next, the Clean Slate face wash. I really wanted to try this. The texture, oh my god, jelly cleanser feels. I love it. Not too foamy, as you can see, not stripping. Refreshing skin moment I can feel. And the next is Skin Fighter Acne Spot Corrector Gel. It reduces active acne and prevents acne marks. It contains azelaic acid plus AHA plus BHA. Yo, this is a pimple assassin girl. I'll test this on my breakouts and share 1 week glow up results soon. Finally, mini retinol night cream. This tiny retinol is so cute. It contains 0.1%, 15% retinol. Yes, gentle but effective. Perfect for beginners and travel friendly also. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.